Alright, so today I received another package from eBay. It's like the 7th one this month from fellow eBayer pixelsdecibles. It contains a lens assembly for Sony DCR-TRV260 camcorder and might contain something humorous. Go ahead and open up the package here. Using my infamous X card. Extra. To get this right in the bubbles out here. Let's see what's in here, everyone. And that here is the part they ordered. So pretty soon there's going to be a repair video. Right, I did promise you guys a repair video, but unfortunately, I had to cover someone at work. Someone's shrubs at work again today, so actually I just installed the part. So I'm going to go demonstrate for you guys. The working camera that's been sitting in storage for 7 to 8 years. Sorry, turn a little light on. It is functioning. We're over. I don't know if you can see her. Camera does not have pretty good focus. But if I zoom in, I can get better focus or if I get closer to like the fabric or something. Here it is, folks. Fully functional camera once again. And for 20 bucks off of eBay, I can't complain. Even the little ViewFinder still works. I don't know if you can see it actually. Yep. Still works. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment if you got one.